Use the power of turmeric paste for inflammation the right way. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits of turmeric paste for inflammation. But before we get started, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness insights. Let's get into it. You may have heard about the amazing properties of turmeric paste for inflammation, but did you know that there's a right way and a wrong way to use it? Just like with any natural remedy, making the right choices can maximize the benefits and minimize any potential downsides. So, let's explore the do's and don'ts of using turmeric paste for inflammation. 1. The right way to consume turmeric paste. First and foremost, let's talk about the right way to consume turmeric paste. To truly harness its healing power, it's best to take it on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb its potent anti-inflammatory properties more effectively. 2. Avoid inhaling the strong scent. Now, here's something not everyone knows. Turmeric paste can have a strong scent that might irritate your nose or eyes if you take a big whiff. To avoid this, always consume it diluted. Mixing 1 to 3 teaspoons of turmeric paste in 100 milliliters of water not only reduces the smell but also protects your teeth and esophagus. 3. Timing matters. Wait before brushing. One common mistake is brushing your teeth right after consuming turmeric paste. Doing so can wear away your tooth enamel. To safeguard your dental health, wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth after having turmeric paste. 4. Start with a sensible dosage. Remember, the dose makes the difference. If you're new to turmeric paste, don't jump into large doses. Start small and observe how your body reacts. Consume 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon per day, gradually increasing as needed for its anti-inflammatory benefits. If you experience any discomfort, simply reduce the amount. 5. Avoid consumption right before bed. Lastly, never consume turmeric paste right before bedtime. Doing so can increase the risk of acid reflux and irritation to the esophagus. Regardless of when you take it, always sit upright for at least 30 minutes after consuming turmeric paste. 6. How to make turmeric paste for inflammation. Recipe. Okay. Now it's finally time to make the turmeric paste for inflammation step by step. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of ground turmeric, 1 cup of filtered water, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1½ teaspoons of ground black pepper. Instructions: combine 1/2 cup of ground turmeric and 1 cup of filtered water in a saucepan. Heat the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly for 7 to 10 minutes until it becomes a smooth paste. Add 1/4 cup of coconut oil and 1½ teaspoons of ground black pepper, and continue to simmer and stir for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Allow the turmeric paste to cool and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Conclusion: now that you know how to make, and the right way to use turmeric paste for inflammation, you're on your way to reaping its full benefits. Remember, it's a powerful natural remedy, but using it correctly is key. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. For more valuable insights on health and wellness, be sure to check out our other videos in the playlist we've suggested above. Stay tuned for more informative content, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.